In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards around in Trello. Start by heading to Trello in your browser and signing in. From the left sidebar, click Boards to open the view that shows every board you have access to. This is your starting point for organizing work. Go ahead and open a board you want to work from. If you open the wrong one or decide to use a different example, no problem. Return to the Boards view and switch to the board you'll use for this walkthrough. Getting comfortable moving between boards is helpful when you manage multiple projects. Before we start dragging anything, a quick note about completion. Many cards have a due date, and when a task is finished, you can open the card and click Mark Complete on that due date. That status is separate from where the card sits on your board, but keeping the due date marked complete and the card living in the right list will keep your workflow tidy and easy to scan. We'll use that as we move cards along. Let's practice with a task like studying math. Locate the card on your board, click and hold anywhere on the card to grab it, then drag it into the Done list. As you move it, you'll see a shaded placeholder that shows exactly where it will land. Drop it there to finish the move. If you realize the task isn't actually finished, that's totally fine. Just drag the same card back into Doing. You can drop it at the top to make it a priority, or slide it between other cards to keep your list ordered the way you like. When the studying task really is finished, open the card and click Mark Complete on the due date to reflect its true status. Close the card and drop it back into the Done list so your list and its completion state are in sync. If you have another card with a similar name or a follow-up for studying, repeat the same pattern. Confirm it's complete, then move it into Done. Next, let's do the same flow with a different task, like laundry. Drag laundry into Doing to indicate you've started. When you wrap up, open the card and click Mark Complete on its due date if you set one. Then, drag the card into the Done list. This rhythm, start in Doing, mark Complete when finished, and place the card in Done, keeps your board accurate at a glance. Now add a brand new task so you can see the full journey. Go to the bottom of your to-do list and click Add a Card. Type Car Wash and press Enter to create it. The new card appears instantly. Pick it up and drag it into Doing as soon as you begin work. After the task is finished, open the card, click Mark Complete on the due date if you've added one, close it, and drag the card into the Done list. A few tips while you move things around. If you need to reorder a card within the same list, drag it up or down until you see the placeholder and drop it into position. When you're moving cards across the board and the destination list is off screen, keep holding the card and slowly nudge your cursor to the edge of the screen to scroll horizontally. On a trackpad or touch device, use a steady press and drag until the drop zones appear. If your team members have the board open, they'll see these card moves in real time, which is great for quick status updates without sending a message. And that's it. You've opened your boards, switched to the one you need, moved cards between Doing and Done, used Mark Complete to track actual completion, and created a new card and guided it through the workflow. Keep practicing this simple drag and drop routine, and your Trello boards will stay clear, current, and easy for everyone to understand at a glance.